What is the consequence of laying a floor covering on a subfloor that is uneven? Modular tile installations can go out of bond because of an uneven subfloor. Unfortunately, once the modular tiles have been fitted, people cannot see the surface irregularities beneath the floor covering. Customers only see the floor covering going out of bond, and as a result, they believe the floor covering to be at fault. A floor that is uneven in some areas and straight in others, the distance between the 2 points will be different, resulting in the tiles going out of bond. Of course, modular tiles can go out of bond because of loose or tight fitting. To determine whether the tiles have been fitted correctly, measure a section of the actual tiles, then measure the length of coverage.